welcome back to DevTrino. And first thing, please subscribe to our channel because each subscribe counts and it really motivates us to put new videos. Moreover, we would be sharing more videos about work and earn, product proof and earning apps, as well as about stock market. So talking about today's video, it is about Amazon Pay gift card that I have redeemed from Ready Steady Go app, and I have redeemed it for just 600 coins. Talking about the app, I have already posted a video in the YouTube, and I'll be sharing the link below in the description. You can check it out also. And I have redeemed it for 600 RSG coins. It took me just 20 to 30 days to make that much coins and redeem a product. So it is really easy to redeem a product in RSG app. And let me show you the redeem proof. So you could see here, Ready Steady Go send me an Amazon Pay gift card worth rupees 200, and it feels really exciting because it didn't take me a long time to actually redeem something from an walk and earn. And you can also check out the app, and if you like our video, please like and share, and do subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. See you in the next video. Thank you.